Hey guys, Fred Up here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A13. It costs about 98,000 naira for the 64GB variant that I have here, and it makes me wonder why it is so expensive, because it is a complete lackluster when it comes to performance. Ever since Infinix released the Hot 12, it makes the Samsung Galaxy A13 look like a joke. Like, does it make any sense for anyone to consider the A13? In this video, I'm going to be comparing them to see which one is actually better. Both smartphones cost about the same, but if I want to admit, the Samsung Galaxy device is slightly more expensive. The essence of this comparison is to help you choose the right device out of the two. If you are cross-shopping between both smartphones, which one should you buy? Stick around to the end of this video to find out. On a side note, I have made individual reviews on each of these smartphones, and I won't really go in depth in this particular video so I don't take much of your time. For the price, the Samsung Galaxy A13 costs about 98,000 naira or $190. The Infinix Hot 12 on the other hand costs about 93,500 naira or $170. As you can see here, the Hot 12 is already looking like a good deal. If we want to take a closer look at the design and build quality, we can see that both smartphones are made entirely from plastic, which is not a bad thing for low-end devices. But the Hot 12 distances itself a little bit by making its plastic design a bit more desirable. I know design is quite subjective, but trust me, the Hot 12 design is the one you want to pick because it just feels more premium than the A13. But generally, both actually feels well made and durable. Moving on to the display, this is where the Hot 12 begins to cut some corners. Instead of going for a full HD display like the A13, it went with a 720p LCD display. Both smartphones uses an LCD display but with a difference. The A13 uses a PLS LCD display. PLS stands for plane to line switching, while the Hot 12 uses IPS display. We all know what IPS stands for. It stands for in-plane switching. It kind of sounds like someone somewhere just reversed these words to make one feel superior. However, PLS LCD is a new technology that is meant to improve on IPS LCD displays. Technically, PLS technology offers more color distribution levels, lack of backlight bleed and accuracy compared to IPS LCD. On the other hand, IPS LCD display offers consistent image quality, decent contrast and overall brightness level. That sounds confusing, right? Okay, now that you know a little bit about both display, which display is actually better? Well, the Samsung Galaxy A13 is just better. With a 1080p display and a high pixels density, the Hot 12 doesn't stand a chance. On this application, the Samsung Galaxy A13 is just better, even though most people buying these devices won't notice the difference. Now, the only thing people will definitely notice is the self-improvement when you register for a class on Skillshare, the sponsor of today's video. If you're new here and you don't know what Skillshare is, or maybe you just want to learn something new that will yield better outputs, Skillshare is the right place for you. I've talked about Skillshare in the past, but if you're new to this channel, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and people who want to learn new skills. You can learn skills like photography, video editing, web development, film and video production. For example, I've been learning a lot from Thomas Deja on a topic how to create engaging videos for YouTube. He talked about the concept in action, finding that golden moment and choosing the right music for your project. And I'll tell you guys, it has been amazing. Because Skillshare doesn't support ads, it means zero distraction, which in return will allow you to focus more on your creative journey. So if you're a creator or someone aspiring to become one, I encourage you to sign up now using the link below. And because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 people to use the link on my description box will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Just use the link below and also see my pinned comments. Now let's proceed. For performance, the A13 comes with an Exynos 850 CPU paired with 4 GB of RAM, while the Infinix Hot 12 comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core CPU paired with 4 GB of RAM. Both have the option to extend the memory through RAM Plus in the case of Samsung and memory fusion on the Infinix device. When it comes down to raw performance, the Exynos 850 CPU pales in comparison. As you can see here from the benchmark scores, the difference is really huge and translates to reality. The Galaxy A13 is slow in every measurable way, while the Hot 12 is very snappy at any given task. For software, both run on Android 12 out of the box, but I have to give it to the Samsung Galaxy A13 here. Not only does One UI stay very clean, it doesn't come with much bloatware. You're going to get a 2-year software update, and right now nothing beats the experience of Samsung One UI in the Android world. When we talked about software updates, Infinix and Tecno left the chat.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Now, for camera, both are actually very decent, but I want you to go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Again, if you want to learn more about these two smartphones, check out my individual reviews on them. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera on both smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A13 and the Infinix Hot 12. The Hot 12 is shooting in 2K while the Samsung is shooting in 1080p. Both looks okay, but I feel like I like the skin tone on the Samsung device more than that of the Infinix device. What do you guys think about it? What do you guys think about the dynamic range? As you can see here, both are actually struggling, but it's okay for a device in this price point. Kindly let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Moving on to the battery, both smartphones will last the entire day on a single charge. However, the Samsung Galaxy A13 with its well-optimized operating system tends to endure a little bit longer. But the Infinix device will charge slightly faster thanks to the 18-watt charger it comes with. The A13 comes with a 15-watt charger, which is much better than the A53 that comes without a charger. So, from what we've seen so far, the Hot 12 looks like a much better choice here. You get complete accessories out of the box, which includes this beautiful case you're seeing here. You get a premium design for much less and above all a much better and miles better performance. The A13 only wins in the display quality, software and sometimes the camera. The Hot 12 is cheaper and offers a lot more while being cheaper, if that makes sense. Honestly, I don't see any reason for anyone to choose the A13 over the Infinix Hot 12. So if you want to buy a smartphone out of these two, the Infinix Hot 12 is the way to go. That is it guys, kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.